guys, well, it is Friday, thank God. So anyway, I'm going to give you a little walk around, show you what went on here last night, and that's about it. So the little 04 Ford, I know probably not too many of you are interested in, because it is old time garage, not new time garage, but remember, I have friends. So, you know, I helped them out. Came in again for the cab corners, had a little ding in the door, and it came in because there was a bunch of holes drilled around the wheel well here where someone had put chrome on. He wanted that fixed. So we were going to do a blend. We're going to repaint the cab corners, repaint the door and the front fenders, and blend it in so it all matches. But the more the owner started thinking about it yesterday when he stopped by, God, look at it, so big it won't even fit in the camera. When he stopped by, he said, you know what? He says, how much extra are we looking to paint this thing? So we gave him a price, and he was super happy, and he said, just do it. Well, this is a big, tall truck to paint. So Jared has got his work cut out on him for this. So anyway, it looks like we're going to be painting the cab all up probably here in the next week. And then after that, when the cab goes home, the owner's going to bring us down the box. So another job has rolled in that's going to get done, I guess. But let's show you what Jared was up to last night. I know some of you guys are following me on my Facebook, Old Time Garage, and some of you guys are watching me on my on Instagram, which is under Rick's_Old Time Garage. I know, and of course there's the Camaro. We all know I've been working away on. You guys have been seeing some videos. The last videos you saw, they should have been of me working on that. Here it is. This is the let me turn this shit down over here. Can't hear a thing with that radio going. Let's get rid of that. Okay. This is the 72 Chevy pickup cab for Dan. Dan is the one, if you remember, he's got the truck with the big block in it with the blower on it. That's all tubbed out with a custom-made frame. Now, I'm not going to say what color he went because some customers don't want other people knowing. It does look black. It is not black. I don't know if you can see that. See when I get up close how it changes color? It goes from a gray, and then it goes to a black. But this is what Jared did last night. Got all this painted. Now this is how we go about doing things. See, we paint all this, we get all the jams painted, we get all the firewall, we get all this kind of stuff painted. You recognize too, for you guys out there in the C10s, we smoothed off a lot of the firewall. Anyway, we get this all painted up. Now our next plan is we're going to bolt this down on the frame. Then we're going to set the engine and tranny into place. And then Chris is going to get the brake booster on, the wiring in. You can get to everything nice and easily right now. Then after that, we paint the doors, we line the doors up, put the doors on. The inside of the doors, I should say. And then the inner fenders get painted, and they go on. And the underside of the hood gets painted, and all the other shit that goes with it. Then we get the whole truck assembled to just all that's left is the outside of the cab in primer. Then you spend a bloody day masking, a whole day masking, so you get no overspray anywhere, and then you shoot the outside. Now, some people will paint it in pieces and put it together, and that can be done too. That's a good way too to do it. It's just this way here we know if there's any glitches if there's any glitches like, you know, beforehand, we haven't painted it, so everything's going to be fine. Sometimes you paint vehicles in pieces, you put them together and something just doesn't quite fit right, even though it did before, it doesn't fit right this time around. And then what happens? You painted the vehicle, and then you're fucking around with shit. But anyway, there you go. That is what happened last night. So everyone's happy. Uh-oh. Here comes Sean. Sean's coming in. Sean always comes in early after Jared's painted. Sean's the investigator. He's got to check the situation out. Good morning. Oh, man. He really messed up last night. Runs everywhere. Oh, yeah. It's not even shiny. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Does that look beautiful? That's awesome.
Right on.
Yeah. He nailed it.
Good.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Well, there we go, guys. So see, it's the end of this video because Sean's happy. As long as Sean's happy, it's going to be a good day.
Yeah, it's going to be a good day.
It's going to be a good day. Okay, well, you remember, it's always good time and old time. We'll catch you next time.